Good morning, I'm Greg, sailor, bagpiper, all around jack of all trades, back on the boat this morning. Take a quick look. It's actually starting to look like a boat again. Stanchions are up, lifelines are up, most of the trim work is back on the boat. The tow rails, unfortunately, are just in place so that they are regaining their shape. They aren't fastened down yet, but will be soon. Yesterday was only a partial day because I had to race. Today is a partial day also, day 2 of the regatta. I happen to be in second place, so that's good. My goal this morning is to finish sanding the pedestal and get that prepped for ready for paint, and take the wire brush to the cockpit sole. Everything else in the cockpit has been sanded. Actually, I take that back. I have to do the little channels around the cockpit. This one has already been done. Getting down in the bottom there is a real pain in the neck, but it's got to be done. So, we're really making progress on the boat. Then I've got to come out here with some acetone or something. This staining was when the cover was resting on here and the sun baked it. It transferred, and I'm hoping this will come off. If not, there's a couple of spots where I'm going to have to lightly sand and repaint while I'm repainting the cockpit. Not the end of the world, but not what I really want to do. So, let's get to it. This is just going to be boring today, sanding and prepping. You know what, after it's been soaking overnight, let's try one more time at getting the wheel off. I'm not holding out a lot of hope for this, but, well, I can't get my acetylene torch up here, but I'm going to try. Holy mackerel. Whew. Well, I never want to go through that again. On Mom's boat, I would, ooh, that's hot. I would take the wheel off every year. One, it just makes it a little easier to get around in the wintertime when the boat's covered and you're working on the boat. And two, it eliminates this problem, that you never have to worry about the wheel being that stuck if you need to take it off for some reason. Take it off every year, a little bit of lubricant on it when you put it back on. You don't go through what I just went through, which, holy mackerel, was a pain in the neck. Well, the camera turned itself off because it was too hot. I'm definitely too hot. So, what I achieved was I got everything sanded down, all the cockpit hatch areas. I got the pedestal all scraped and sanded down. I wire brushed the non-skid decks, so they're all ready. So the whole cockpit area is ready for primer. Unfortunately, it's time for me to grab lunch, grab a shower, and get out and go sailing. So, day 2 of the Midsummer Series Regatta. I am about ready to call and make an appointment for 2 weeks to have them pick up the boat and splash it. I think if I put a deadline like that for myself, maybe I'll actually achieve it. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for following SV Slow Air. Don't forget to hit the like button. Doesn't cost you anything and helps my channel a little bit. And click subscribe to get notifications when upcoming videos are getting released. Thanks for following Slow Air. See you all soon.